Let's start with the tarsal bones that support your entire body. These bones form 2 rows and include some captivating characters. Meet the talus, the head honcho responsible for transmitting your body weight from your legs to the foot. It is shaped like a snail. The talus bone consists of distinct components, namely the head, neck, and body. The head represents this part here, while the neck connects it to the body of the talus. When observing the talus bone from a particular angle, one can observe the trochlea, which serves as a convex articular surface for articulating with the tibia and fibular bone. In the body area of the talus, there are 2 prominent tubercles. The first one is known as the medial tubercle of the talus, and the second is referred to as the lateral tubercle of the talus. An important aspect to remember about the talus bone is its crucial role in transmitting the weight of the entire body from the legs to the foot. It acts as a pivotal link in this weight-bearing process. Overall, the talus bone is the second largest among the tarsal bones, underscoring its significance in the intricate structure of the foot. Next up is the calcaneus, also known as the rockstar heel bone. The calcaneus bone holds the distinction of being the largest among the tarsal bones. It is shaped like a tree trunk. Its robust size and positioning at the back of the foot make it a crucial element in weight distribution and shock absorption during walking and running activities. It has a tuberosity called calcaneal tuberosity. This tuberosity is a perfect spot to attach the powerful Achilles tendon, which connects your calf muscles to the foot. Talk about a rock-solid connection. On the medial aspect of the foot, there exists a distinct structure called the sustentaculum tali. The sustentaculum tali acts as a key attachment point for ligaments and tendons, providing stability and maintaining the alignment of the foot's arches. On the lateral aspect of the calcaneus, the peroneal or fibular trochlea is located as shown here. Those were the 2 of the larger tarsal bones in the proximal row. Before moving on to the distal row, let's talk about the navicular bone. Navicular bone is present all alone in the intermediate row of the tarsals. The navicular bone resembles the shape of a boat. It can be remembered as the navigator of the foot. It helps guide your foot through every step, ensuring you stay on the right track. It is located between the head of the talus posteriorly and the 3 cuneiforms anteriorly. It is present on the medial aspect of the foot. Now let's look at the bones in the distal row. Then there's the cuboid, which adds a touch of cubism to the foot's artistic design. Meaning that it is a cube-shaped bone, which is where its name cuboid originates from. The cuboid bone is situated on the lateral side of the foot. Anatomically, the cuboid bone connects to several other bones in the foot, including the calcaneus, heel bone, the lateral cuneiform bone, and the 4th and 5th metatarsal bones. These connections help to provide stability and support to the foot, enabling various movements and weight-bearing activities. The cuboid bone contributes to the formation of 3 joints in the foot. I will talk about them later. The last 3 tarsal bones are known as cuneiform bones. They are also called trio of wedges, due to their shapes. These funky-shaped bones bring some geometric flair to the foot party. Just like wedges, they fit perfectly together, forming a stable base for the metatarsal bones, the foot's elegant dancers. If we look at these three bones closely, the medial cuneiform has a large kidney-shaped facet on distal surface for the base of the first metatarsal bone, with its hilum directed laterally. At the proximal and distal surfaces of the intermediate cuneiform, there are triangular articular facets. Along its posterior boundary, a vertical facet identifies the lateral surface. The lateral cuneiform bone has this aspect. And lastly, the lateral cuneiform has triangular facet in its upper two-thirds for the navicular bone. The lateral surface is marked in its posterior-superior part by a triangular or oval facet for the cuboid. So, there you have it. We have talked about all 7 tarsal bones now. Now there are a number of ways to memorize the names of these bones. You can remember them by keeping in mind the shapes of the bones. The talus bone can be likened to the shape of a snail, with its spiraling structure. In contrast, the calcaneus bone resembles a sturdy tree trunk, providing a solid foundation for the foot. The navicular bone takes on a boat-like shape, contributing to its unique appearance and role in the foot's arch support. Similarly, the cuboid bone lives up to its name, showcasing a cube-like form. Lastly, the 3 cuneiform bones are wedge-shaped and tightly packed together, adding stability and support to the mid-foot region. These diverse shapes and arrangements of the bones collectively contribute to the intricate architecture of the foot. The images of the shape of these bones can help you remember them for a very long time. Of course, there are also mnemonics that can help you in naming each of these 7 bones. One mnemonic goes like: tall camels never consume cacti. Here each capitalized letter represents the first letter of the tarsal bone name. So, T in tall is for Talus. C is for Calcaneus. N is for navicular bone. C in consume is for cuboid. And the word cacti, which is a plural of cactus, represents the 3 cuneiform bones. That is all about the tarsal bones. Let's move on ahead and talk about the metatarsal bones and phalanges next.
From medical students to seasoned professionals, sqadia.com offers engaging and dynamic content for your educational journey.